So, can you use your Apple Watch as a heart rate monitor? Now, that's a question you might have before, let's say, you are about to get it, the Apple Watch. And the answer is most definitely yes. The Apple Watch does work as a heart rate monitor. So the way that it kind of works is that sometimes you are going to notice on the backside of the watch, there's this sensor area. And whenever your Apple Watch is measuring your heart rate, you'll see a green light pointing or like shining from the backside of the watch, right? So that's why whenever you start a workout, like manually open up the workouts app and start a new session, then it means that the watch will most definitely start the heart rate throughout the whole workout, right? That's the point, and this is how you can trigger it. But also, if you don't want to do it during any kind of workouts, you can just open up the heart rate app, which is like this red icon with heart on it, and it's gonna perform the measurement at that instance. And also, it does measure it randomly throughout the day, right? So you can always just check out like the highest rate of the days. You can see some history and some graphs and some other health metrics as long as you keep wearing the Apple Watch so the data can get collected. You can also just browse it on the iPhone, which I actually prefer because you can find it inside of the Health app. Right there, you get a dedicated section for this heart rate stuff and all the good things. So you can go ahead and explore those options to see more and get more data. So if you are interested in this kind of content and topics like this, most definitely subscribe below to this channel because I publish a lot of tutorials and videos like this one. So make sure you stay tuned and you'll never miss anything important, any cool new tip. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you later.